Windows notifications can sometimes be intrusive and disruptive to the workplace. Fortunately, there are ways to manage and disable these notifications, both overall and by application. Let's get started. Disable all notifications in Windows. First, open the Smart menu at the bottom of your home screen, signified by the Windows logo. Navigate to the Settings icon and click it. Next, make sure you're in the System tab and select Notifications. From there, toggle the slider next to the Notifications icon to Off. You're all set. This process will disable notifications for all Windows and desktop applications. Disable notifications by application. If you would rather only turn off specific notifications, follow the above steps and scroll down to notifications from apps and other senders. Now you can toggle the notification slider for each individual application on your device. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable notifications in Windows, allowing you to work uninterrupted and without unnecessary distractions. That's it for today's tech tip. We'll see you on the next one.